Intermediates, welcome back. It's Friendly Friday. Something has changed, but before we take a look at that calendar change, let's wish a very, very happy birthday to Jack and to Sophia. I'm glad you had a nice day, and I hope you had fun with your family. Well, this is what's different. Something is missing here. There is only a number 1. Well, wait a minute. April is finished. We went through all the days the other day. This comes off. It is now a new month. And after April comes May. It is a new month. May. When there's a new month, all the numbers get wiped away and we start again with a number 1. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Friday, May 1st, 2020. So, yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday is soccer day. Don't come to school. Why? Because it's closed. Let's talk about that weather. We've been having some mixed weather. Mixed weather is when it changes from warm to cool or warm to cold, cloudy to not cloudy. Today's one of those days. The sun is definitely out in the sky because it's daytime, but it's covered by a cloud. And you might see a little bit of the day blue sky with white cloud. So it's a combination day. On a day like today with combination weather, we definitely still want to wear those long pants to keep our legs warm. A short sleeve shirt would be good and a light jacket on top. And I think sneakers would be okay too. They always keep you safe. Well, let's take a look at the letter wall. Remember, if you want to trace these letters or practice saying them extra, just hit pause on your device. You can trace it on the screen or skywrite it. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Great job. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Excellent job. So remember, hit pause to practice saying those letters. Let's take a look at our letter table. Our letter table has quite a few letters on them. Let's review them. Let's start out with this one. This is the letter A. A, apple. This is uppercase A. And this is lowercase a. They look a lot different, don't they? Moving over here, we have K. K, kite. Uppercase K with a line down, kick up, kick down. Lowercase k, line down, kick up, kick down. They are the same shape, just a different size. Moving over here, we have M. M, mitten. Uppercase M goes up, down, down. Lowercase m, a little line with a rainbow bump. 2 of them. And then, right next to it is the letter N. Up, down, up. That's an uppercase N. Nest. Lowercase n looks different. It's a small line with a little rainbow bump. So it almost looks like lowercase m, but lowercase m has 2 bumps. Lowercase n has 1. Now let's slide over here. We have the letter R. Uppercase R goes up, around, and down. Lowercase r is a small line with a little bump. Rope. Great job. Now let's look over here. This is V for violin. We have a line down and up, and lowercase v looks like the same shape. It's just smaller. Down and up. V for violin. The next one over here is wagon, but this is the letter W. Wagon. It almost looks like a V, but there's more. That's why it's called W, because it's like a double version of the other letter. It goes down, up, W, wagon. Here's a small W, down, up, wagon. Over here we have X. It goes down and up and down, like a crisscross. Then over here we have small crisscross. Same shape, different size. X makes different sounds. It makes the X sound like its name, like X-ray, or a Z sound for xylophone. Then over here we have the letter Y. Y goes down, and a common line in the middle. Lowercase y goes down and all the way down. Little bit different. The bottom line is a diagonal line. Y, yo-yo. And then we have the letter Z. So Z zigs out, zigs down, zigs over. Lowercase z does the same thing. Zigs out, zigs down, zigs over. Z, zebra. Great job. You can always hit pause and trace the lowercase letter and the uppercase letter. All right, let's head to the number wall. Now, remember, if you want to practice more, hit pause on your device. You can trace it on the screen or skywrite it or even try to write it on paper. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, you are getting so great at counting. Let's take that off the wall so you can see it better. We have a 1 and a 5 in the back to make a 15. A 1 and then down, around, over the top, down, around, over the top, down, around, over the top to make the number 5, 15. I sure hope I have enough tennis balls to count. Now I want you to press pause and try to find 15 things to count. You don't need a bucket. You can put it on the floor or on the couch or on the table. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tennis balls. Let's see if I have 15 tools. Are you ready? There's one back here. 1 drill. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, is it level? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 tools. I hope you were able to find 15 things to count. Let's head over for the next game, the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's all play. Who's here today for the name game? Oh, well, if you find your name, hit pause, trace your name, or skywrite it, or try to write it on paper with pencil. Are you ready? Here we go. Michael, Olivia, Alexander, James, Jack, Luke, Easton, Samantha, Sean, Stella, James, Mia, Zoe, Carter, Catherine, Xander, Nora, Melania, Lexington, Connor, Sophia, and Michael. I hope you were able to find your name. If you do, press pause and trace it. And all the way up. Good job. Now I'm looking to go to the shapes wall. Are you ready? Let's go. Yesterday we talked about a curved line. A line is something with a start point and a stop point. It does not keep going because there's a start point and a stop point. Now, this is a line because there's a start point and a stop point, but it is slanted like a slide. It goes diagonal. So this is called a diagonal line. It's a line because it has a start point and a stop point, but it's a diagonal line because it slides down like a slide. So you can try to pause and draw this or trace it or skywrite it. Great job. Let's take a look at our learning table. So we have been having a lot of rain. We've even had hail, but we've had lots of rain, lots of wet ground. And guess what? The earthworm just loves and lives for the rain because it makes the ground that it lives inside of nice and mushy, nice with nutrients, and easy for them to burrow in tunnels. So an earthworm is shaped like a tube, almost like a squiggly straw. And they live under the ground. Here is the top of the ground. But under it, if you dug a hole, you would see little tunnels where an earthworm could live. And that's where they are most comfortable with. They sleep down here below, and they find their nutrients, and they live with their families. So if you see a worm out, not on the ground, but on the sidewalk or a parking lot, that's because it probably was moving along and didn't realize it went too far from its home. Or someone might have kicked it up while they were walking. But most of the time you will see them under the ground. Another animal that is out now that it's spring is the ant. Now, there are different kinds of ants. There are carpenter ants, there are red ants, and black ants. So ants come in different sizes and different colors. This one here is a common ant that we see. And the word common means you see it a lot. So this ant has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 appendages that it uses to move. It uses the front 2 appendages to pick up crumbs. So if you have a picnic, even if you clean up, the ants will come out and pick up the crumbs that you've dropped. That's why it's important to make sure you clean up all your food. Then it has antennas. So it also has a segmented body. Segmented means in parts. Appendages are the pieces that are out of their body to help it move or pick up things. Segments are the parts, the head, the top torso, and the back torso. Torso means body. Now let's take a look at this one right here. This is like a flying ant. You won't see these too much, but if you do, be very careful. So here are the segments. It has the back part. It actually has 2 middle and the arch and the head. Over here is the antenna. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. So, next time you see an ant, you may not only see one, you will see a lot, more than 15, probably 20, and they will be crawling around on the grass or on the sidewalk. But please be very careful. Don't step on them. Step over them, because they don't see you very well, but you see them. And it's important that we respect all living creatures. So we don't want to hurt them or poke at them or pick them up. Let them be. Let them live in the ground. Let them find the crumbs and enjoy just watching them. Those are the creatures that come out for spring. Well, I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you on Monday.